Tonight it's only you and me. Your heartbeat sings so softly. We were walking slow in the night, laughing under city lights. Every moment felt so right, like a song we didn't try to write. I never knew love could feel this warm, safe and steady in your arms. This is the sound of us, two hearts waking up. Every breath, every touch is the sound I love so much. Baby, when you're close enough, I hear the sound of us. Tracing gentle lines on my skin, your voice pulls me back again. You're the calm in all my days, the melody my worries chase. I never knew love could feel so true. Every rhythm leads to you. This is the sound of us, two hearts waking up. Every breath, every touch is the sound I love so much. Baby, when you're close enough, I hear the sound of us. Even when the world goes quiet, I still hear you in the silence. You and I were more than noise. Love is in your gentle voice. This is the sound of us. Every hope and every trust. When the nights feel cold and tough, your love is always loud enough. Baby, when we fall or rise, you're the sound that fills my life.